In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add docs in ClickUp. If you're new to ClickUp Docs, think of them as built-in documents that live right alongside your tasks and projects. They're perfect for notes, meeting agendas, project briefs, or team knowledge bases. Keeping docs inside the right part of your workspace makes everything easier to find later, so we'll start by choosing the best place to create one. First, open your space. On the left sidebar, click Spaces to reveal your workspace areas. From here, open the space, folder, or list where you want your doc to live. This choice matters because your doc will inherit its home from the location you pick. For example, if it's a team-wide handbook, place it at the space level. If it's a document tied to a specific project, put it in that project's folder or list. Taking a moment to choose the right spot now will save you time searching later. Next, add a doc. Look for the Add Doc option in the View area or toolbar of the location you just opened. Click it to start a fresh document. You'll see a clean canvas ready for setup. Now, name the doc. Type a clear, descriptive title that reflects its purpose, like Project Kickoff Notes or Marketing Strategy Overview. A good name makes it easier for teammates and your future self to find and recognize the document quickly. When you're happy with the title, click Create to confirm. Finally, start writing. Click inside the doc and begin typing your content. You can draft a quick outline first to structure your thoughts, then expand each section as you go. Headings help create a readable hierarchy, and short paragraphs keep things skimmable. As you type, ClickUp saves your work automatically, so you don't need to worry about pressing save. If you like to move fast, try using / commands to insert headings, dividers, or checklists, and keep related information together so your doc stays tidy and useful. Don't overthink it. Get your ideas down and refine them as you iterate. You can always come back to reorganize or expand. That's it. Open the right space, add a doc, give it a clear name, and start writing. With just a few clicks, you've got a centralized place for your notes and plans right where your work happens. And that's how you add docs in ClickUp. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.